Welcome to the 8th grade Math Homework Helper Series. Tonight's homework is review fractions. We'll start by taking a look at the directions, compute and show all work. For number 10, we have 5 3/4 times 2 1/2. So to start, we want to take each of these mixed numbers and change them into an improper fraction. We do that by multiplying the whole number and the denominator and adding the numerator. So we got 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 gives us 23, and we put it over the original denominator of 4. Same for this fraction, so 2 times 2 plus 1 gives us 5 over 2. Give a quick look to see if we can cross product, but we cannot in this case. So that means we're just going to multiply straight across. So 23 times 5 gives us 115. 4 times 2 gives us 8. Now, because we changed these to improper fractions, our answer is going to be an improper fraction, but we can't leave it that way. We're going to need to change it back to a mixed number. So 115 and 8. 8 goes into 115 14 times with 3/4 left over. Number 12. Similar situation, we have 6 3/4 times 2 3/9. Again, we need to change each of these to a mixed or an improper fraction from a mixed number. So we have 27 over 4 and we have 21 over 9. In this case, we can do some cross product. 9 goes into itself once, into 27 3 times. So we wind up with 3/4 and 21 over 1. We can now go ahead and multiply. 3 times 21 gets us 63, and 4 times 1 is 4. Again, it's an improper fraction. We want to change it to a mixed number. So we divide, and we get 4 goes into 63 15 times, with 3 left over the original denominator of 4, so 3/4. Now we are dividing. So we have 5 3/4 divided by 2 1/2. The numbers are similar to the first problem, but now we're dividing. So, to start a division problem, it's really no different than it was for the multiplication problem. We need to take each of these numbers and turn them into improper fractions. So just like before, it's 23 over 4, 5 over 2. Now, the next step is changing this from a division problem to a multiplication problem. And the way we do that is the first fraction stays identical to exactly what it is. So 23 over 4 stays 23 over 4. The second fraction, we take the reciprocal of it, or flip it. So instead of 5 over 2, we get 2 over 5. And now we're ready to multiply, and we can do cross product. In this case, we can with 4 and 2. So 2 goes into 2 once, into 4 2 times, so we're going to have 23 over 2 and 1 over 5. We can then go ahead and multiply across the tops, so we have 23 over 10, and 10 goes into 23 2 times with 3 left over, 3/10. Lastly, we have another division problem. So we have a whole number and a mixed number, 5 divided by 2 and 1/6. The mixed number we want to change into an improper fraction, and the 5 we want to change into a fraction. So we simply put the 5 over 1, and then we do 2 times 6 plus 1, 13 over 6. Now we need to go from a division to multiplication, so the 5 over 1 is going to stay the same, but now we're going to get 6/13. And if it were possible to cross product, we could do it now, but we don't have anything that would work. So now we're just going to multiply across, so we have 30 over 13, and if we divide those, 13 goes into 32 times with 4 left over 13. Please use the work that was done for you tonight to help you to solve any additional problems that are on your homework. And remember, the key to success in math is not only working hard, but working smart.